You've probably heard about all these GLP-1 injections like Ozempic or Wegovy, prescription meds that help control appetite and support weight loss. But they're expensive, come with side effects, and let's be honest, not everyone wants to take a weekly injection for the rest of their life. That's where something like BioTRUST GLP-1 Elevate comes in. It's a daily capsule, not a drug, and it's designed to support your body's own production of GLP-1 naturally. I got curious about it, looked into everything they're claiming, and here's what I found. First off, GLP-1 is a hormone made in your gut when you eat. It helps tell your brain you're full, slows digestion, and may reduce cravings, especially for sweet or salty foods. The whole idea with Elevate is to work with your body's natural GLP-1 system instead of overriding it. The ingredients are what make or break it, and here they're actually using a few branded compounds with some research behind them. First is Metabolaid, which is a mix of lemon verbena and hibiscus. In studies on the ingredient, it was shown to increase GLP-1 by over 30% after about 8 weeks. It may also help with hunger signals by lowering ghrelin and activating a metabolic pathway called AMPK. Second is CQR-300, an extract from Cissus quadrangularis. It's supposed to block the enzyme that breaks down GLP-1, which could keep the hormone active longer in your system. Then there's a polyphenol blend with green tea, pomegranate, and grape extract. That part supports gut bacteria, including one called Akkermansia, which has been linked to better GLP-1 activity. Now, this isn't going to give you the same dramatic weight loss you'd see with prescription injections. But if you want something to help with cravings or late-night snacking, it might actually be useful. It doesn't rely on caffeine or sketchy fat burners, and the ingredient choices are at least backed by human studies, which is rare in supplements. There could be a short adjustment period. Things like mild bloating or gas are pretty common when you start something with prebiotics or polyphenols. Nothing major for most people, but don't be surprised if your gut reacts in the first few days. Anyway, that's everything I found on BioTRUST GLP-1 Elevate. I dropped the link below with the current discount they're offering, in case you want to check it out for yourself. If you've tried it, or something similar, let people know how it went in the comments. And if this helped, feel free to like or sub. I've got more stuff like this coming soon.